Hello everyone. So now I'm going to teach you a scale. Now this section scale actually I would like to emphasize on that part of scale which is basically a conversion of suppose we all know that scale is of three types. One is statement scale, one is RF scale, and the other is linear scale. Now, in this statement scale, we just, for the sake of it, say that um, suppose 1 kilometer shows 1 centimeter on the paper. This representation is on paper. Suppose 1 kilometer area, when we draw it on paper, suppose is 1 centimeter. Now I have a chart which is going to help in converting um, RF scale to linear scale. For example, in case of RF scale, suppose that is 1 is to 50,000. Okay. Now this 1 is to 50,000. This you have to convert to RF scale. And for this conversion, we follow a table of two types. One is British, one is metric system, and the other is British system. In metric system, we follow 1 is to, no, sorry, not 1 is to, 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeter. This we consider, I mean, like it is standard. So, according to this standard, we have to do the maths. 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeter. 1 kilometer equals to um, 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer equals to 10 decameter. 1 decameter equals to 10 decimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Again, if we go just following centimeters, then 1 kilometer, if 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeters, then 1 hectometer equals to 1 0 less, just cut 1 0, that is 10,000 centimeters. And 1 decameter equals to 1,000 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter, sorry, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So this is how the metric system goes. And then when you come to the British system follows 1 mile equals to 63360 inches, and 1 mile equals to 8 furlong. 1 furlong equals to 220 yards. 1 yard equals to 3 feet, and 1 feet equals to 12 inches. Remember, 1 mile equals to 63360 inches. 1 mile equals to 8 furlong. 1 furlong equals to 220 yards. And 1 yard equals to 3 feet. And 1 feet equals to 12 inches. Now, the next step is suppose we have a RF scale. RF scale is like it doesn't have a unit, like 1 is to 50,000. You can say that 1 kilometer equals to 50,000 centimeters. So this way we can calculate on the paper. Or 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer. That means in the real land, if it is 1 kilometer, suppose from here to there, from here to the station is 1 kilometer, suppose. Then on paper we consider it 1 centimeter or 1 inch, 12 inch, 1 feet. This way we consider. In paper we cannot draw 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers as such in reality. So we have to consider a scale in which the scale, I can't show it to you now, I don't have a scale, but just measure the scale. On one side it is inches, on the other side it is centimeter, yeah, centimeter scale, and the other side it is inches. For centimeter scale, follow the metric system. For inch scale, follow the British system, which is inches, miles, furlongs, yards, feet. So then we come to the real issue of conversion. That is, for example, if have a we have a we have a RF scale 1 is to 50,000. Okay. Now we have to convert this RF scale to a linear scale. Linear scale means scale, a scale which shows, you must have seen in maps and all, they have a scale in below. I can't show it to you now, but I'm trying my level best to make you understand. Let's see how much I can make you understand. Suppose it is 1 is to 50,000. We know that according to the table, 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeters. So here I write 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeters. Okay, now follow the step. Therefore, we have our RF as 1 is to 50,000. In that event, we take therefore 50,000 equals to 50,000 upon 1 lakh. And we cut and we get 5 by 10. And then again further we cut, divide actually, and we get half kilometers. So we keep half kilometers, therefore half kilometers. Now how much do I want the scale to be? যদি এতটা হয়, like this much, suppose this much is 10 centimeters in your scale, or you can do 12 centimeters, or you can do 15 centimeters, as you wish. Now 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter, or 15 centimeter, how much you take the scale, this measurement has to fit in properly. What you do is you take half kilometers into, suppose 10 centimeters. You want to draw the scale 10 centimeters. What you do is half kilometers into 10 centimeters equals, কাটাকুটি হয়ে গেল, 5 আসলো, তাহলে 5 কি হবে? What will be 5? It will not be centimeter, it will be kilometers. Matlab, in 10 centimeters we are showing 5 kilometers. 10 সেন্টিমিটারের মধ্যে আমি 5 কিলোমিটার দেখাচ্ছি। ঠিক আছে, এবারে 5 কিলোমিটার যখন দেখাচ্ছি, প্রথমে 10 সেন্টিমিটার আমার স্কেল দিয়ে, first of all we draw that 10 centimeters with our scale, then we'll take 2 centimeters, and then we see automatically it is actually 5 different divisions. So at a point we take 0, which is a which is the which is the law actually. Then we put a 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We divide it into 5 divisions. That is 5 kilometers. Then we take 0 to 1 division. And this 1 division, what is the next? This thing according to the table. After kilometer, it comes hectometer. So 1 hectometer equals to how much? It's 10 hectometers. 1 kilometer equals to 10 hectometers. We divide it into 10 parts, and then we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hectometers. This is very simple, but since it's a first exercise, it will take time to understand, to learn. And since I can't show you on the table, sorry, on the paper, that's more difficult. Let's see how much I can um I can explain and with pictures and all. I'll click the picture and then I'll show. This is the thing. Oh, okay. Thank you.